Fish-flavored pork shreds are a classic dish in Chinese restaurants. Let's prepare the following ingredients first. Pork cut into shreds can be marinated better. Add salt, white pepper, cooking wine, egg white, and starch, mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. When marinating shredded pork, cut black fungus, green pepper, carrot, and other side dishes into shreds for later use, and mince ginger, garlic, and green onion for later use. Then we start to prepare the sauce. Pour sugar, vinegar, cooking wine, soy sauce, water, and starch into a bowl and stir well to make a sauce. Next, we heat the cooking oil, pour in the marinated pork shreds, stir fry until the pork shreds turn white, and serve. Then pour in a little cooking oil, stir fry the carrot shreds, and pour in the pixie and bean paste after about 30 seconds to stir fry the red oil. At this time, add onion, ginger, garlic, black fungus, green pepper, shredded meat, and the prepared sauce, and stir fry evenly over high heat. After stir-frying, you can serve it on a plate. I put to the text steps at the end. Come and learn with me.